Right.
They are civil police activists.
Of course. So you just said something. If they go say for go arrest Brother Kashokol, why would the people not stand up? But we left that day. And I'm gonna make sure say this clip will go cut them share the people area, because at the end of the day, the people they get a responsibility as well to protect their leaders. So in as much as the leaders are going to take the bold step, but the people have a responsibility to protect you guys as well. But this is what I want to tell you. Of course, we always say
you're very correct. You're very correct, because, for example, what Mr. Bramble go do, now for go represent the people then, and he was arrested. Now, if the people then go to him and then he not come out for to go protect them, the people then go say he don't let them down.
right.
So now he go protect people then. So the people then need to protect them, because at the end of the day, they don't humiliate them, no molest them. Today, in fact, now the truck they put on a grown, now the truck in the grown and the truck in grown, and then they put on make it sit down.
Wow. Wow. What would have been the actions of SLPP if the roles were reversed? What do you feel say SLPP for do?
I believe say they will not take it easily, because, for example, when the PRO was arrested on issue for SLBC or whatever, we see how they take them, how they all follow and go to court, how somebody go lead before prison Motuka. This was somebody who was not an elected officer of government.
Right.
And they behaved and carried the day. So if that be a mayor or a district council chairman,
the police officers at the CID allowed only 4.
Right. Go ahead. I just put this on the screen. Let people see what you do.
Into the bill.
So just imagine what would have happened at that time if that be elected person. A main party is doing. I think the party want for sure say we are not violent people, because this now what people already preach for years. Say APC violent, APC na togri, APC na bosh, APC na soko. So I believe say that the party is trying to maintain, say make we prove them say what they think, but we don't say be. Coming to me as the district, I'm talking here as district council chairman, elected district council chairman. Waiting that they do so, it is wrong.
I'm calling for his resignation, and we are going to move for his resignation, because a very sensitive position in it. Not only security of our people, but the security of this nation. We don't come far too far for a senior police, the most senior police officer, for call the main opposition party that we are idlers. I know we use that word panel, because I'm more responsive, I'm more respected, and I'm more learned than him, with all due respect to him. For him to use that word, we take great exception to that. And we are going to write to all the international people and even the government that he needs to be removed. It does show clear partiality, and he cannot handle.
At 7:15 press time, Lima was still under police custody. Supporters displayed placards venting their anger and frustration while they continued to wait to know the fate of Lima.
Some of the senior police officers there don't become so political that anything will happen. I will tell you for free. One system with right now, as you go through they ask you, where is a councillor? There's always party. If a councillor introduces himself as a councillor, you don't need to ask our party. Say which council. Ask him for his council and not his political party. Because when he's been voted, he's not representing his political party anymore, but representing the people of that ward. So like me, you don't go ask me which party. You should ask me chairman of which council. And I will tell you chairman Western area where this is council. If you want to get party officials, go to the railway line and meet party officials today. So they should not treat Robert Brown as APC chairman. They should treat him as deputy chairman of a council. So we they ask for immediate release, and I've told them in my press release that they will release him. Why should they continue to do the investigation? They have no right to arrest him. He did nothing wrong. He was on duty performing his legal duty by Local Government Act.
Brother Kasho, you've said this all, but this is what I want to say.
Yes, sir.
Because the SLPP, of course, they're good with these innuendos. Like when you talk about, say, oh, they say APC get confusion and this and that. These guys are busy playing to the international community. Let me tell you, Brother Casho, what's the guy they do so? You don't say local council elections that they can. So they try for disenfranchise and they don't succeed because even you're fed up now. They don't they want for disenfranchise on all and everybody want for contest for the APC or with the APC within the local council elections them for them to give up. So the SLPP, you know they have
No, I'm going to contest, my brother. I am going to contest. I am doing very well. You know, Ibrahim, you are a very clever student. When you do a class, when you take exam, you know with yourself whether you perform well.
absolutely.
So me as chairman of WOTC, I know I have done so much. My report card is there. I have done so much with these 3 years when I was in the office force. I have done so much. When you look at WOTC from which I take control now, and I'm going to contest again. I'm going to contest because I believe in doing. I've been telling people, me a statesman, not a politician. That kind of politics when they play, when a badat, na hatred, na for lie, purposing, na for kill them, na for humiliate them, intimidate them. I'm not the kind of politician. And let me say it here: no intimidation. They move me. No intimidation. They move me. I make I always careful and then by the rules as prescribed by the law. I'm going to contest in 2022. The only thing that will make me to contest if my party don't give me symbol. But if my party give me symbol, I am ready to contest and I know I will win again. But this is Sierra Leone.
The vitality
for leave this pattern of governance is not correct. It's not good. It's not good. President Bio is the president of Sierra Leone. Until 2023, we'll go back to the polls. The people will decide. So it gets for take that leadership there for make it no say. So then tell the apple show enough for B. Enough for B. Sierra Leone democracy don't move to another level. But Ibrahim, for God's sake, imagine if you arrest me now as chairman, you put me in a cell. Then tomorrow morning, you want to go sit down for chair a meeting of security in the district. I will not. You want to invite me for go make statement now any government functions? I will not. Because you already don't demoralize me, you don't molest me for people. How are you going to control me these streets? How are you going to enforce, make sure say the laws them, people they respect the laws them? Why?
Brother Casho.
Why? I will not get SMPP chairman and mayor and look at what Jeff Kefala did in Kenema. The former mayor of Kenema, what did he do? When President Nkrumah go there, they were black. Was he arrested?
No.
Was he molested? No. No.
Brother
So
Casho.
we now want to do we don't function. We only need that mandate.
Brother Casho, I get the constitution in front of me, the 1991 constitution I asked you. I don't want to hold you long again because we've expressed ourselves and I know say people they hear you exactly what you're saying. Section 13 of the 1991 constitution, subsection B, it tells we say, cultivate a sense of nationalism and patriotism so that loyalty to the state shall override sectional, ethnic, tribal, or other loyalties. But everything that you're telling us, they lead me to the side of, like how you say when you go to a police station, then police and they ask you, where you say you're a councillor? They say whose party? Instead of asking you whose council you represent,
Yes.
the people you represent. Brother Casho, this is what I'm going to say.
Exactly.
You know, I'm not in Sierra Leone. So it's different for Una Wedede versus we Wedede. I understand the politics side they play. We're not forbid that way. But this is what I'm telling you. At the end of the day, we all get for look back from the APC as a political party and everybody ask yourself the question, say, what did we do to protect our democracy? And when I tell you we ask yourself that question, I don't know how some of us get for feel to the answer we'll get for give yourself. Because what we're doing right now, Brother Casho, not to put the pressure on you, but the fact that we are sitting by for 3 to 4 years now, everything that has been happening, now left the corruption, but go into the human rights violations them of the people. When the constitution make them very clear for say this, we constitution make them very clear. When you look at them, inside the constitution at the beginning, it says Sierra Leone is a sovereign republic, the boundaries of which are delimited in the first schedule hereto. The public seal of the Republic shall be such a device as Parliament shall prescribe. The flag of which the design is described in paragraph B hereof is hereby declared to be the national flag of Sierra Leone. And then he go further for say, all organs of government and all authorities and persons exercising legislative, executive, or judicial powers shall conform to, observe, and apply the provisions of this chapter. The Republic of Sierra Leone shall be a state based on the principles of freedom, democracy, and justice. It is accordingly declared that sovereignty belongs to the people of Sierra Leone, from whom government through this constitution derives all its powers, authority, and legitimacy. The security, peace, and welfare of the people of Sierra Leone shall be the primary purpose and responsibility of the government. Brother Kashaw, I can go on and on with this constitution, but this is what we're dealing with. So
Yes.
are we failing ourselves as a
Yes.
nation, Brother Kashaw? Because this government has violated the constitution so much to the point, this now other part of the world, now regime change, Brother Kashaw. It is a regime change. But you say in the right letter to President Bio, after this letter, what's next? How long this intimidation will continue? Talk to me about the roles of civil societies, Brother Kashaw. Talk to me about civil societies at this particular point in time. When you talk about the country where come out a rebel war, 1991, we get a brutal rebel war. A brutal rebel war. When the Truth and Reconciliation Commission say, they recommend say we forget civil societies. Them. Talk to me, Brad.
Well, you know, for me, honestly, what you don't read from the constitution, so not so salon for time, and salon for don't go in a way we all go look ourselves as brothers and as sisters, not care about whose tribe you dey or whose political party you dey. Like me, you know, my nickname they call me All Man Party. So whether you are APC, SLPP, PMDC, NGC, I get party all over. But what did happen? So not good for salon. It's not good for salon. Some of us, we're not young again. For example, I have 4 kids and my wife. I'm not going to for run, go to bush. I'm not going to for run and left them. And my volume now, you know, before when I been in the police or when I been in the army, I've been slim. I've been even slim more than you, Ibrahim. But now I'm not going to go on a bush. Yeah, I'm not going to run on that bush. So we for avoid them thing that we go bring Kuskaskam to the country. Because I don't live on another country. No. I don't want to live in anywhere. For about say I don't 48 years, so yesterday my birthday.
Oh, yes.
The
Matter
only
of fact,
time you will
yes.
see me go over
Happy birthday.
or permit. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So Sierra Leone is my, and what is happening is not good for our democracy. It's not good for them. We therefore respect the laws of the country. If law not there in the country, bruh, na anarchy. If we don't respect the law, na problem. Now this leads to the 11-year senseless war, where some of we will waste to age. Because that 11 years, they will without what happen so. Now 11 years we waste. We waste 11 years completely. And we now go to that with that candidate again. Me, as you say, you question, I'm writing the president. After we write the president, I wait for the president to respond. And after that day, because we are tired, we not go to police for arrest, we carry the arrest again. No, we don't go allow them for the arrest, then carry it again. They have to respect us. We'll give them respect, they get respect. As I speak to you right now, my councillors today, all man wear black, all placards say they don't go to council meeting again, they will not attend council sitting again, and they're not giving no mandate for sign any document. If I sign any document, and if you watch section 10, 11, section 9, section 10, section 11 of Local Government Act, it tells you say 2/3 of the councillors get the power for impeachment. If I not go by what they say, you understand me? So
Right.
if they don't begin talking now, say chairman, not for you go work safe. Chairman, not for sitting in office until this problem is solved. If I go there, they will call a meeting to talk say that they impeach me. But you know they have every right. So don't forget that level. People get for respect people they would vote for. If you will commit offense, which is arrestable, arrest us. But if we are doing our duty, you have to respect us. How on earth, you know, this thing pain me. It pain me so much in a way that I don't know self what if happen. Because this man, I mean, tell us Saturday morning. If you watch my WhatsApp, if you watch your WhatsApp phone, now me text me about the issue. Now me text I say go to the police station and make the report, so we will know why he go broke. And he went on instructions, and he has been arrested. Now I don't keep him 3 days now without appearing at court, and they feel guilty because I missed them. Say go report. And if you say I am the head of the district, but for God's sake, I have the mandate of the people. Now about 200,000 people register. Do you know how many people voted for me? Over 115,000 people voted for me. So I have the mandate of the people. Out of 200,000 people that will register, over 115,000 voted for me. Even the SNP Mawika second get about 50,000 votes. Look at the distance between me and him for telling you, say, now many people are getting mandate. So allow us. And people have understood we are sub-national government. Now we implement locally for the central government. Now we, President, we give money for health. Now we give money for education. Now we give money for water. Now we give money for marine. Now we give money for what they call. So we the government work to the people. And why not respect we? Where government they make budget, it's not going to police for good for education, for good for health, for good for waste management. No, now we do it. So why not you respect what deserve? So as I say again, APC as a party we talk. I'm a member of APC, a very proud member. APC we talk because I'm not a spokesman and I have not been authorized to say anything on behalf of the party. But as the council chairman, this thing that happen, so it is wrong. The deputy chairman, Councilor Brown, should be released immediately with any charge because he was doing his duty. And we, as I said, we will report to the president, we will report to the vice president, we will report to the minister and see the other. But the next step is, if we don't get any answer, anything for solve them issue there, well, then we will not let it because we know what to say. This will go on. For demonstrator, we wait. And we sabi the procedure. Some of us are well experienced. I not only work for police or military, I've worked as a journalist. Me and media proprietor, I have a radio station and a newspaper. I have worked for NEC, I have worked for PPC. So me one of the first people that will do electoral call in this country. I know what is election, I know what is democracy. So basically, we know exactly what to do. I've worked for European Union. So I have wealth of experience in what I'm doing. Now make it not easy to make you say, cash don't fall victim because I get careful with the law. Most of the people who I worked in the police for 14 years. I was an investigator, a very proud one for that matter. And they know say this man, now man will know his right. And me not care how you want to treat me. If you think to say because you have power, if my treat cash, oh so be it. So be it. But this one, Ibrahim, I want to thank you so much. Because today I want to talk. And I want to tell you, say, if the SLB can talk to me.
Wow.
I don't get the intelligence, I have the information. Yes, information they've been warned.
That is what they've done.
The only interview they will interview. Now something where go there in support of government.
Right.
But anything where, like what this happened to me, deputy should they should not interview me.
Right.
So for me, I not see civil society in the country. I not see civil society in the country at all. And the journalists who are my colleagues, for 10, 11 years who are my colleagues, most of them don't take sides. Even if they say that this they don't understand. The civil society organizations, them, I just feel one or two. Even when I come today, one or two also concern and say, but this man elected man, why don't you treat us so? But all the rest are party people. So even if they kill yourself, they will not say it. They will go on a corner and say it is gone, but they will not come out and say it openly. They don't sell it. Say, but I believe that God will only responsible one day. Me believe that God can disgrace people at any time. But it's surprising to we. The journalists are not helping the situation. Some of the journalists, some of them, they're not helping the situation. You will see tomorrow morning, imagine from Saturday, they arrest that Monday. Plenty journalists, they're going to see, they don't talk as if they arrest that deputy chairman.
No.
They don't talk.
No.
Because they don't want to talk about them go. They're not giving them brown envelope to forgive them. Plenty, not all, but you got few wait to do better work. Few, but that few they're not go able. Because you know, you get 500 journalists, you get 3-4 more when they do the correct thing. They will be overshadowed, they will be overpowered.
Right.
And the civil society way at this call. In fact, me once they are making government, the European Union, the UNICEF, the UNFPA, where they give civil society their money for do the work, therefore check their civil society properly. A politician like we no more. They just be hide under. Beaucoup majority are politicians. So even if some other they look this program now, they go to call say that either politics talking that now for go back tomorrow morning. They're not civil society guys.
Right. Right.
They are civil political activists.
Right. Right.
They are civil political activists.
Of course. So you just said something. If then go say for go arrest Brother Kashokol, why would the people not stand up? But when they left that day, and I'm gonna make sure say this clip will go cut them share the people area, because at the end of the day, the people they get a responsibility as well to protect their leaders. So in as much as the leaders are going to take the bold step, but the people have a responsibility to protect you guys as well. But this is what I want to tell you. Of course, we all know say
you're very correct. You're very correct because, for example, what Mr. Brambe go do, now for go represent the people then, and he was arrested. Now, if the people then go to him and then he not come out for to go protect them, the people then go say he don't let them down.
Right.
So now he don't go protect people then. So the people then need to protect them because at the end of the day, they don't humiliate them, no more less them. Today, in fact, now the truck they put on a ground, now the truck in the ground, and the truck in ground, and then they put on make it sit down.
Wow. Wow. Brother Kasho, this is not long enough. I want you get a good night's sleep. I don't want you become hypertensive over this. It is tough. It is rough, but we're going to pull through. But Sierra Leoneans, it's about time. Enough is enough. We have to get that point where we're going to cut this off. It should cut off. Because we live in a democracy. We don't live in a dictatorship. We don't live in a jontocracy. We live in a democracy. It's a two-way street. Everybody should be allowed to be able to express themselves. So this is what I want to tell you, Brother Kasho. The letter that you're going to write to President Bill, copy the American Embassy and the Ambassador, David Reimer. Copy the British High Commission. Copy the MCC. And copy Freedom House in America. I will send you all those details. We have to get these people involved. All the stakeholders, they're more responsible. The ICC, the Geneva Convention Human Rights Organization, them, Amnesty International, all of these organizations, copy them. Because enough is enough. We are not patient too much. And it gets to a point when people begin to look, the UNA councillors them now, big opposition and opposition parties them across the country, like you guys are not serious. Then they look and say, we don't protect our democracy. Because again, before I let you go, I'm going to read one part of the Constitution for you now, where I want the people to pay attention to. We as citizens, then we get a responsibility, we get a duty, where we for perform. And with duties, if we don't perform them, where Section 13 of the 1991 Constitution, it is there clearly. We get a couple of different options then. A, all the way through to J. It say, abide by this Constitution, respecting its ideals and its institution. The national flag, national anthem, and authorities and offices established, constituted under this Constitution or any other law. To respect them, but these guys don't respect it. Cultivate a sense, again, like I be reading earlier, of nationalism and patriotism, so that loyalty to the state shall override sectional, ethnic, tribal, or other loyalties. Protect and preserve public property and prevent the misappropriation of squandering of funds belonging to governments, local authorities, or public corporations. This is all in the Constitution. Now we left this conversation I have for this net. We didn't wait for that letter, Brother Kashokol. But what is happening in Sierra Leone is a travesty. And Salon people, them, when I get right for defend on our leaders them as well. Because if our leaders them, they go stand up for una safe now, una not be disgruntled enough to know say, una get una right for stand up and protect una leaders them, and protect Sierra Leone, and protect the democracy. Every Sierra Leonean citizen, when they watch this, You have a right to protect our democracy. And that is what Brother Casho is doing. That is what Brother Robert Brown do. Now he do it and go arrest him. Now in this area, una sit down and go arrest the whole councilor. And then a jail. Test the way they represent. Una not come out for go protest for this man. It is wrong. It is undone. It should not happen. Sierra Leoneans, let we wake up. SLPP is destroying our democracy. Cry to the world. All of you guys, share this live. Share until you reach your side for reach. Make sure say you use your chances where you get, your connection where you get with your members of parliament in London, America. Write to them, share all of these things, because these guys are slowly leading us down the path where we all want to go again, but they're getting there. So thank you, everybody. Have a nice evening and bye-bye.